was running late for work today, so I took the other car. Or wait a second, maybe I'm just dreaming, because when most people talk about their dream cars, they're talking about Ferrari. And if you want to visit the shrine to the Ferrari, then visit the Ferrari Museum in Maranello. The Ferrari Museum is located just a few hundred feet from the Ferrari factory. The museum opened back in 1990, but was then enlarged and renovated in 2004. And it celebrates the history, legacy, and prestige of the king of cars, Ferrari. Most of the time when you hear me talking about Italian artists, I'm using names like Dante or Leonardo or Michelangelo. But today I'm adding another name to that list, and it is Enzo, who nearly a century ago transformed his dream of producing a car of both speed and beauty into the world's most famous brand of automobile, Ferrari. Enzo Ferrari established his company in 1939, but the first car was not released until 1947. And what followed was championship after championship in all sorts of races, not only in Italy, but throughout the entire world. And here at the Ferrari Museum, they've actually transferred Enzo Ferrari's office, and you can see the desk and the various objects that surrounded him as he produced some of history's greatest cars. And the last model that Enzo Ferrari personally approved before he passed away in 1988 was the legendary F40, the first production car to break 200 miles an hour. Ferrari is also the most victorious Formula One racing team, with 16 constructors' titles and 14 drivers' titles, including those won by the legendary Niki Lauda and Michael Schumacher. And all those years of success and dedication and passion can be summed up in one symbol, one of the world's most famous logos, the Cavallino Rampante, or the prancing horse, which is celebrated worldwide. And remember to like this video and to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Rocky's Italy, so that you don't miss out on any of this great content that we're filming here in Italy and publishing weekly. Now I gotta go.